In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Chrome download failed network error, a guide that's essential in 2025 as technology progresses, but some issues remain persistent. Let's journey together to tackle this common problem. Imagine this: you're eager to download a file, but just as you hit that download button, Chrome tells you download failed due to a network error. Frustrating, right? But worry not, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have several strategies at your fingertips to solve this glitch. First things first, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Sounds simple, but a spotty internet connection is a common issue that can disrupt downloads. You might try moving closer to the router or, better yet, connecting your computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. This will often provide a more stable and faster connection compared to Wi-Fi. If the problem persists, restarting your router could resolve any temporary connectivity issues. Next, let's clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, your browser accumulates these files, which can sometimes interfere with its performance, including downloads. To clear them, open Chrome. Head to the menu at the top right corner, click on More Tools, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select the option for cached images and files and cookies and other site data, then press Clear Data. Refresh Chrome and attempt to download your file again. If that doesn't do the trick, consider modifying your antivirus or firewall settings. Occasionally, these can misidentify a safe file as a threat, hindering downloads. Open your antivirus or firewall software settings and temporarily disable the real-time scanning function. With this done, attempt the download once more. Remember to re-enable your antivirus later on to keep your system protected. Also, check Chrome's download settings. By default, all downloads are routed to one folder, and if this path is incorrect or inaccessible, it can lead to errors. Go into Chrome settings and scroll down to find Advanced. Under Downloads, check the location specified for downloads. Ensure the folder exists, and there are no permission issues. Lastly, consider updating Chrome. An outdated browser version can harbor bugs that cause errors, including download failures. Go to Chrome's settings, click on About Chrome, and the browser will automatically start checking for and installing any available updates. And there you have it. By following these steps, your download process should now be smooth and error-free. Thank you for joining this troubleshooting journey. Remember, technology doesn't have to be daunting when you have the right guidance and tools. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks.